We've released the second generation of the Violent Wind Blower. This generation reaches 130,000 RPM. Today, to test just how powerful this second generation Violent Wind Blower is, we've invited Dyson to join us for a head-to-head comparison. I've also brought in two judges for today's test. The first judge is our anemometer, which can measure wind speed in meters per second. The second judge is a highly capable electronic scale, which can measure the wind force. Now, to keep things fair for the first test, we're going to remove the cover from the Violent Wind Blower and have it go head-to-head with Dyson to measure wind speed. When we carefully turn on this particular anemometer, we meticulously select the max mode in order to accurately measure the absolute highest wind speed that can be achieved. So, with great anticipation, let us now begin this fascinating experiment. Right now, at this very moment, it is registering at the maximum wind speed. The renowned Dyson is up first in this comprehensive comparison. The current precise reading for the Dyson device is exactly 25.2 meters per second. Now, with eager anticipation, let us carefully bring in our powerful and impressive Violent Wind Blower. It is completely ready to go and perform its task. After thoroughly cleaning it up and ensuring it is in optimal condition, we also carefully select the max mode and promptly start the measurement process. The absolute highest wind speed recorded is an astonishing 34.5 meters per second. Without a shadow of a doubt, the formidable Violent Wind Blower decisively wins this competition by a significant and undeniable landslide. Now let's invite our second esteemed judge to carefully observe what the actual wind force is at such a remarkably high level. Now let's have our Dyson contestant step forward. The wind speed is meticulously set to the absolute maximum. It's not necessarily the closer, the better, as we will soon discover. We can clearly see that its fluctuation, its dynamic range, is consistently between 97 and 98. So the maximum wind force achieved is around 98, which is indeed a pretty good, quite impressive performance overall. Now let's bring in our powerful Violent Wind Blower. 128, 129. Okay, 129 is about its very best, its peak wind force performance. This is a solid 129. The Violent Wind Blower also thoughtfully comes with two distinct attachments. The crucial question is, which of these two attachments produces a stronger, more intense wind force? Let's thoroughly test it out and find the answer. The first attachment, this particular machine can also conveniently turn on its integrated flashlight. Let's carefully reset it and then precisely see what the wind force is truly like with this attachment. Just now, the highest recorded wind speed was 34.5, and now, with this attachment, the maximum wind speed is 42.4 meters per second. Now let's switch to the other attachment. This particular small attachment is equipped with a slightly narrower nozzle, which in theory should result in a more concentrated and therefore stronger airflow. However, the crucial question remains: what is its actual performance like in a real-world scenario? To determine this, we will conduct a thorough test. First, it is essential to reset the device to 0 to ensure accurate measurements, and then we can commence the testing procedure. Remember, you must press the max button on the device to accurately record and display the highest wind speed achieved during our evaluation. The maximum wind speed for this one is 39.6 meters per second, so you can see that a smaller nozzle does not necessarily mean a faster wind speed. This is our 130,000 RPM Violent Wind Blower. Hope you like it.